Hello friends, this is Umesh, and here in this video I'm going to show you how to create a fresh new project for LPC1768 microcontroller using Keil Microvision 4. So very first we have to create a project, so go to project menu and then hit on new microvision project, and then go to desktop and create a new folder for your project. So give it the name Blinky in this case, and then browse the folder and then give it the name for your project. Here in this case it's a Blinky again, and then hit on save. So we get this dialog box and we have to choose the microcontroller LPC2148 in this case. So select your microcontroller family and hit on OK. So then it will ask you to add the startup file and then hit on yes, and once you hit on yes you get this project ready for you. So what we have to do is we have to write our project in code. Sorry. So we have to write the C file, and we will be writing our source code into the C file. So let's have a new file, text file, and then paste the code that you have to write and then save as this file as a blinky.c, and then hit on save. So once we save this, you get this all the source code into the highlighted mode. And what we have to do is we have to add this blinky.c to your project. So just click on source group 1 and right click this source group 1, and then we have to add existing file to the group source 1, and it will ask you to select the file again. So hit on add, choose your C file and hit on add, and as you can see right now this Blinky C is here. So all we have to do, we have done this before, we just have to set a couple of things. So hit on a target, right click on target and click on options for target 1, and then we have to go to output and check this create X file, and then we have to go to linker and then check this use memory layout from target dialog, and then hit on OK. Once you have done all those settings, then you just have to build your source code. And as you can see, we have a 0 error and 1 warning. Warning is okay, you don't have to worry about, because this video is just to show you how to create a project. So let me show you in this Blinky project we have this hex file, and our task is now to load this hex file into the microcontroller. And to do this we have to use the Flash Magic utility. So let me open this Flash Magic, and once I open, it looks something similar to this, and we have to choose the microcontroller, then we have to select the COM port, in this case 29, and then we have to set the baud rate 38,400, and then interface is ISP. Oscillator we will be using 12 megahertz crystal. We just have to make sure one more thing, so go to options and advanced options and make sure that you have checked this use DTR RST, and then you also have to check this keep RTS assert, and then hit on OK. So once you have done everything, then you just have to check these two boxes here, verify after programming and erase blocks used by hex file. You just have to browse your hex file to load into the microcontroller. So hit on browse and go to the folder, your project folder. In our case it's a Blinky, so it's here, and choose your hex file, open it and just hit on start button. So once we hit the start, you can see the loading of a hex file has been going on, and now as you can see your code is running into the microcontroller development board.